Hey guys, I'm here to talk about this DEWALT miter saw. This is a 12-inch. It's got a 12-inch blade on it, so it'll cut up to 6.5 inches. Make cuts that deep. Let's see, it has this guard here. I really like that. So this guard only exposes the blade when you're actively coming down to make your cut. Pretty neat. This trigger right here, if you come over here and look, it has a safety feature, and you actually have to intentionally pull this little lever over on top of it to click it. It will not pull without moving this little button. This one will swing both ways, go all the way to 50 degrees both ways. Another neat thing is it bevels, so you can get all sorts of angles here. You manipulate it, turning your board over, doing the math on things. You are able to drill it if you want to. If you were like, oh, it's a permanent spot, I'm gonna keep this stationary. You can actually drill. It has pre-drilled holes. You can drill it into your surface, keep it still, keep it from rocking, keep it from moving. When you need to take it and haul it somewhere, you just clip this right there. So like here, you turn it, it stows and goes. You can pick it up. It's low profile. Carry it, very portable. If you're in the market for a very, very serious miter saw, this would be the one to get, and go get you one and start cutting.